Hello everyone, today we are comparing Honor Pad X8a, Honor Pad 9 and Redmi Pad SE. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Display features. Honor Pad X8a comes with 11 inches TFT LCD display. Honor Pad 9 comes with 12.1 inches IPS LCD display. And the Redmi Pad SE comes with 11 inches IPS LCD display. Next, compare the hardware features. All three tablets are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Honor Pad X8a and Honor Pad 9 come with 8300 mAh battery, and the Redmi Pad SE comes with 8000 mAh battery. These devices include studio speakers, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.